reporting in, running to the first complication. Car's losing a lot of coolant. Don't know where it's losing from. I took the wheel off because I want to get more access to the water pump. But it's leaking a lot of coolant. I'm on my way to AutoZone right now to see if I can, you know, park there and figure out what's wrong with it. But it's so sketchy. It's not overheating, but it's definitely losing a lot of coolant, leaking a lot of coolant because I can see it. Yeah, this is a really good car for me. It's been treating me really well, and it has like almost 170,000 miles on it. I love this car, so I'm gonna try to fix it. I think it's just something small though. It's not. Hopefully, it's not my water pump. I think it's just something like maybe like a hose or something. I'm not sure. We'll find out. So I came to the final decision. I think it's a water pump. That fluid is leaking out. I took the wheel off because I want to get more access to the water pump. But yeah, right now, in order for me to access the water pump, I have to take off the motor mount. So right now I'm taking off the motor mount. This is a bolt, hard to get to with the swivel. Even though I use the swivel, but okay, so I got the mount out. Give me more room to access the water pump. Progress is going pretty well. It's got a hopefully it's a water pump. I'm not even sure right now where the water is coming from, but it looks like it's coming from the water pump. So yeah. Tons of waters are pouring out of that section, so plus it's making a noise too, so I think that's it. I'm not sure. So yeah, AutoZone actually has my my water pump. They got it on deck, so I'm pretty happy about that. So now I just gotta take out the old one and then put on the new one. So I can't get the pulley out. I've been like beating on it, trying to pry it out. It won't come out. It's like really stuck on there. It's a headache, man. Yeah, it's located right here. I've been like beating on it, trying to get it out, but it won't come out. But I can tell the water is definitely leaking from it for sure. So good news, after like 2 hours of trying to get it off, I finally got it out. The guy in AutoZone gave me a bigger hammer and I beat the crap out of it and it finally came out. So I'm putting the new one back on right now. Woo! I'm super happy because I was gonna contact the shop next door to fix it for me the next day, but I'm so glad I can fix it today. Let's go. Let's gotta put the pulley back on. That'll be good to go. Huh? So I can contact the shop so they can help me.
Oh yeah.
But yeah, I got it. I'm so happy.
You're videoing it?
Yeah, I'm videoing it too.
That's sick. You YouTube or anything?
Yeah, I do YouTube, yeah. Be patient, because you lose your patience, you start hurting yourself.
That's cool, dude.
I hurt my finger. I cut my finger pretty bad. I just gotta put on the motor mount and the belt, and we should be good to go. So I got the water pump installed. Now I just gotta put on the belt. Second day going at it. So I'm about to put the wheels back on and finish up the job and then start the car up. Okay, I think I got everything put together good enough. I broke like the radiator refill hose right here. Broke that thing clean right off. So I could get into one of those. So I got the car started up. It's running pretty good. I'm driving it to O'Reilly right now to grab another overflow hose on my for my coolant, because when
east and turn right onto North 200 East. That portal is being transmitted to us.
because when I was messing with the radiator hose, I broke it. I broke the overflow hose. All right, so the car's running good. I'm pretty happy. Unfortunately, they don't have the radiator hose called the expansion hose, overflow hose, that I broke during my repair, water pump repair. But it's okay. The car's still running fine. And now I just gotta do an oil change. Let's go. Mission accomplished. So yeah, the car's running really good. Everything is working really well. It's not making any funny noises. So now I'm gonna go do an oil change. There's always something to look at out here. I mean, look at the mountain view. It's so beautiful out here. It's so scenery, so serene, so genuine. And it's like you get free and limited amount of water, you know. Long here with the Explore Boy YouTube channel, and today I'm at the previous campsite I was at. I'll make a fire, explore this area, and we'll have a great time. So I think the first thing I'm doing is getting firewood, and I know exactly where to find them. Because last time I was here, this area I know had tons of firewood. This area right here. Hopefully it's not wet though. Ooh, the wood is damped. I don't know. It's all good. I'm still gonna grab some. Something about this camping spot is that they give you your own little fire pit, so you don't have to like make a spot to make a fire. You get your own fire pit. Look at that. Boom. Wow, it's been really wet lately. I think there's some dry leaves right here. There's some dry leaves to start the fire, which is really hard to find because it's been raining and snowing. So all the leaves are wet on the ground. So I'm going to pick the leaves that are on the tree, because these leaves on the tree are like they're so much more dry. Everything is so wet, it's just so damp. It's not even burning. Let's go. Oh, look at that. Oh, it's burning. Let's go, baby. So I think I got it going. It took me like 40 minutes, but I think it's catching on. I think the wood from the top is like drying out and it's starting to burn, but it's definitely smoking a lot. But I think it's starting to burn though. I can see it burning. Yeah. I can boil my water. The fire feels so good. Oh yeah, that water's hot. I'm gonna burn through all this firewood really fast. Ooh, that's good. I'm gonna grab more firewood. I just grabbed more firewood. Put on there. It's wet, but the fire is pretty strong, so I think the fire is gonna overcome the wood on top and it's gonna dry it out. Oh yeah. The fire's going now. Going now. Oh, it's unstoppable now. I found out a technique. I can warm up my body. I'll just hover the fire like this. Just absorb that fire. Oh yeah. Alright, so this is the strongest I've seen this fire. Damn! This fire is going insane right now. I remember earlier I was struggling trying to get it started, but you know, that's what happens when you don't give up. Just gotta keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Let's go. Keep going. It's getting very aggressive, which is a good thing. I'm staying really warm. Feels so good. Wow, this fire is it's on fire. It's going crazy. Now it's burning from all directions. It's like it's fully activated. Wow. Feels great.